Hi Tracy, this is Katie. I make these little recordings all the time to help my teachers. So I just wanted to show you real quick in the admin, your Google admin. So when you go to your waffle, I'm not sure how proficient you are with Google admin yet, but if you jump over to devices and then you come down here, devices, and then Chrome, and then you go to settings, users and browsers. There is an option all the way at the bottom for you to block URLs. This isn't the way we do it here at Blessed Sacrament, but I do it at the internet level. I don't know if you have your organizational unit set up so you can block block URLs at organizational units, So I have mine set up students and teachers, or you can block things globally at your domain. So things like social media, I don't want anyone to go to. So if you just do a quick Control F for finding, there's tons of things for blocking. This users and browsers section is super long, so I just did the Control F just so I can find it. And then there'll be your URL blocking, and here you can enter up to 1,000 URLs, and that's going to be blocked at my overall organizational unit. But if you wanted to block specific things for just students or just teachers, I'm not sure how you have your organizational units broken out, if you have like elementary students in one bucket or junior high in another. I simply just have my rights for my students and then my rights for my teachers. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I can explain that in a different video. But you can block things specifically for just students. And if you want teachers to be able to see Pinterest or TikTok or whatever just for ideas, you can block things separately. I'm just blocking these at the overall domain level. So I'm blocking Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, and then you just put these in. It's really easy. HTTPS, I don't know, we'll just say Pinterest for now. Most importantly, don't forget to hit save, or it will not save in your Google admin. So I hope that is helpful. I hope it doesn't make any more questions or make things more difficult for you, but if it does, I am happy to help you. Just let me know. And it was such a pleasure meeting you, and I hope you have a good rest of the day.